This is the War Rig Truck, a heavily armored post-apocalyptic machine designed to transport fuel and survive extreme desert warfare. The War Rig Truck is based on a modified military 8x8 platform built for maximum durability, off-road strength, and heavy hauling. Powered by massive diesel engines, the War Rig Truck delivers extreme torque to pull armored fuel tankers across harsh wasteland terrain. With full-time 8x8 drive, reinforced axles, and oversized tires, the War Rig Truck dominates sand, rocks, and destroyed highways. The armored cabin of the War Rig Truck protects its crew with steel plates, reinforced grills, and heavy-duty survival design. The War Rig Truck features external defense systems, including harpoons, boarding poles, and battle-ready combat mounts. Designed for long-distance survival runs, the War Rig Truck carries fuel, water, and supplies across endless post-apocalyptic deserts. The aggressive industrial look of the War Rig Truck reflects its purpose: intimidation, power, and control of the wasteland roads. With extreme suspension travel and reinforced chassis, the War Rig Truck remains stable even at high speed in brutal conditions. The War Rig Truck is not just a vehicle, it is a mobile fortress symbolizing survival, dominance, and raw mechanical power.